Hello. What's up? I'm doing great. It's alright. Been able to get a little bit of my work in and getting ready for a season. Jet lag, last night was the first night we slept till almost daylight. I've been waking up like 3, 4 in the morning. It's getting progressively like 1 hour better each night. So today I actually made it till daylight this morning. During quarantine, yeah, we kind of have to. So at home, I'd say we cook most meals, but not every one. During quarantine, yeah, we've been cooking 3 meals a day.
All right, are you ready to go some grocery shopping?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's go. Okay, which one do you want? You can choose.
No, let me see.
$7. This is a $7 sale.
Yeah, get those. Those look like it are. Those.
Just one?
Do you want 1 or 2? Get 2.
2.
Alright, let's go to the meat area.
Okay.
Looking for ground beef, ground pork, and more chicken breast. And a steak. Alright, go to the pork area first to see if they have any ground pork packs.
What do you use? What do you make out of that?
You can do burgers, I throw it in like spaghetti.
Oh, it's right here.
Yeah, get a pack of that.
What else?
Go over to beef. Let's look for ground beef.
Ground beef. How many?
Give me 2 of those. Yeah, 2 packs of ground beef.
And chicken breast, right?
Yeah, they should be over there.
Okay.
Those have bones. Let's see.
Chicken breast.
Yeah, that looks like a chicken breast. Yeah, give me a couple of those packs. Alright, go over towards cheese area.
What kind of cheese?
Just like the American slices, the single slices. Usually have a pack of them. Yeah, there you go.
Cheddar or what?
I don't think it's just American. Down at the bottom there? Yeah, get that one.
Sorry, yep.
Nope, one to your right.
No, that's different.
That one's fine too, it doesn't matter. Let's go to the next thing. Let's go to salsa. Salsa. It'll be like a little glass jar that you dip chips in.
I know what that is. Oh!
Yeah, there you go. Do they have any other flavors, or is it just that? Oh yeah, get the one to the left, just to the left when you're hitting. Yeah, chunky salsa medium. Get that one. One more thing, Joe.
Yeah.
Another 6-pack of this.
Okay.
Some the big ones. That's all we had on the list. Okay. Thanks, fans, for following me around shopping today. I'll see you soon when I get out of quarantine.
Hey guys, today I'm going to show you what I eat for lunch a lot of times. Some of my favorite meals in Korea or anywhere really. At home I make it a lot too. I'm going to make chicken tacos. First thing to do is start with about a pound, pound and a half of chicken breast and dice it up into small pieces before we brown it here. Alright, once the chicken's cooked all the way through, add a little bit of water to the pan. I just eyeball it and add in our taco seasoning. Mix that up. Let it simmer for about 10 minutes. Alright, now that the sauce is thickened up, all we have left to do now is put our tacos, burritos, whatever you want to call them together. You add pretty much whatever you want to these. Lettuce, black beans, sour cream, cheese, whatever you really like. But keep in mind, pretty basic to add a little bit of rice and cheese and salsa. My compliments to the chef. Oh wait, that's me. Good job, Drew. Step 1, mashed potatoes, peel the potatoes. Then put a little seasoning on it. Got the pan nice and hot. Already. Throw it in the frying pan and get going. Alright, mashed potatoes are gonna have a little bit of butter. Pour in some milk. And mash them up until they get nice and soft.
What's up? What's up? How you guys doing?
Good. We're in Lotte Mart.
Nice, nice. That's good. Just sitting around. Not be able to do much, but you know, I got my workouts every day or so staying in shape doing that. So doing what I can to stay ready. My shopping list today is pretty small. Just need some bacon, some bread, some more eggs. No, I don't have eggs actually. Bacon, bread, milk, and some more coffee. That's pretty much it. Tomorrow's breakfast is keep it simple. Just some eggs and bacon, scrambled eggs and bacon. Nothing crazy. Nah, no special recipe. Just salt, pepper, throw a little bit of cheese in there. That's about it.
Sounds delicious. Okay, let's go for shopping.
Alright, let's do it. 안녕하세요.
Let's get some bacon.
Yeah, that's some bacon.
Some bacon. Ham? Like
that's
ham?
not really. Oh, okay. Yeah, let's do the ham then.
This one?
Yeah.
Or this one?
Do it. The first one.
First one.
Yeah,
How many?
Grab a couple of them. Grab like 2 of them.
3 of them?
2, just 2.
2? Fine,
Yeah,
right?
that's good. Perfect, yeah. Bacon. I think you passed it. It's right in there. Is that it?
Yeah.
To the right? Yeah, that one right there.
Which one?
On the bottom. Yeah, right there. Yeah.
So,
Yeah, some milk.
is there a milk that you prefer?
Whatever I got last time is good.
Low fat or whatever?
Yeah, whole milk.
Whole milk.
Yeah.
저번에 골랐던 거
One
뭔지
right
알아?
there.
Coffee. Let's go for coffee.
Yeah, I know exactly which one I want to. Keep going down. It's not gonna be in the aisle. It's like on the back wall there. So
You know where it is.
I know exactly where it's at. Yeah, right
Like
there.
here?
That purple bag up there. Yeah, some Brazilian coffee. Yes, sir.
Is this your favorite coffee, Brazilian?
It was our favorite one from last year. Yeah, that we got at Lutin Mart.
몇 호지?
Yo, yo.
Hey, we got the box ready.
All right. Let's see what we got. Oh yeah. Boom. Thank you. I'll break that all inside. Thank you guys. You guys are the best.
All right. Have a wonderful breakfast.
Thank you. Thank you guys.
All right, guys, let's do some breakfast. First off, what we got? Start with the bacon here. I'll put about 4 pieces in there to start off with. Let's see. Put this thing up right here. All right, next let me get my pan ready for my eggs. I like to put some butter in there first to get the pan a little greasy so the eggs don't stick to the pan. Throw this in here. Got a knife. Alright. Okay, I got my eggs already in a bowl right here. Got them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 eggs, because I'm hungry. Throw some salt. Some salt in there. Pepper. Love pepper in my eggs. Now I like to whip these up pretty good. Alright. So that they look a little bit like that right there. Alright. Check on this bacon over here. Wash this off real quick. Just use it. Alright, let me get this butter starting to melt on this pan here. Starting going. Move this around, make sure the whole pan gets a little grease on it. Alright, let's throw these eggs in here. Alright, next I like to put some shredded cheddar cheese in my eggs. I like my eggs nice and cheesy. Throw that in there. Just move it around. Alright, almost done here. Almost done. Alright. Throw that on the plate. Off, and voila. Boom. Breakfast of champions. Can't wait to eat this. I'm really hungry. But can't wait to see you guys in the stadium. Can't wait to see you fans there and ready to cheer us on. And I know it's going to be another good year. So let's go Dinos. Fighting.